Absolute configuration or RS nomenclature, the three-dimensional structure of a molecule that has one or more centers of chirality is known as absolute configuration. Means if molecule contain more than one chiral center, those we call absolute configuration. Examples I provided here. So you can see this is the structure of the molecule. So how to write RS numbers means R means rectus, that is right side clockwise direction. S means sinister, that is left direction. It is follows CIP rules. It follows CIP rules. CIP rules based on atomic number. That's I provided here briefly CIP rules. Chan Ingold Prelog. CIP means Chan Ingold Prelog. These are the three scientist names and they provided some rules. It is based on atomic number. So atomic numbers, you know that 1, 2, 3 high priority order. What are that they give an atomic number? For example, hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine. What is the atomic number? Highest one is fluorine. This is 9. This is 8. 1. This is a high priority atomic number. When they attaches carbon, all different groups, which is the high atomic number, that is high priority. So that's moving. Suppose high priority is the first I am giving, and second 3, 1, 2, 3 like that. If 1, 2, 3 clockwise is there, that's we called R. If same 1, 2, 3 anti-clockwise is there with respect to atomic numbers, that is S. These are the one point you have to remember. And next point is, this is more important, try to get next 2 points. At wedge dash formula, this is you are writing at chiral center only, everything at chiral center. High priority group is thick line. If that is 1, 2, 3, then same clockwise. Then R. If low priority at dotted line, then 1, 2, 3. But high priority, you have to think this one always. Low priority group should be dotted line. This is the basic point, you have to get it. You have to keep that low priority at dotted line. That is the always basic point you have to keep. Even high priority present thick line are not secondary, but low priority present at dotted line or not, you have to check it. Same. Then if 1, 2, 3 is clockwise or 1, 2, 3 means anti-clockwise. I will give each one example. You don't worry. All different cases I am going to give example. In Fisher projection formula, these are the exceptions which you are going to do mistakes. In Fisher projection formula, least priority group or fourth group present at horizontal position, then we have to reverse RS nomenclature. Suppose clockwise you are getting, that should be S. If anti-clockwise means R. When least priority present at horizontal line, most of the questions you got based on this point. Least priority always they are writing generally in fourth position. Then same in the case of eddy dash formula, low priority group present at thick line or high priority present at dotted line, then you have to inverse same. If clockwise means S, anti-clockwise means R. We'll see some examples here. So this is, you can try it. First one, shall we try it? High priority for oxygen atom, because 8 is the atomic number. So this is the high priority. 1. High priority is for oxygen, its atomic number is 8. Then which is the next high priority? Here carbon is there. Both are carbons. This is the second priority. Why I am giving second priority? I will explain that is very clearly. This is third. This is fourth one. Anyway, fourth one present are vertical line. No need to think any alternate method. Means exception point you don't want to think. So if you are moving 1, 2, 3, 4, which direction this is? Anti-clockwise. Is it correct? So this should be yes. Now why these are given? C triple bond C is high priority. Just a minute, you can see both are carbons, sir. Both are carbons. Okay, this is triple bond C, this is hydrogens. But in the case of C triple bond C, one carbon attaches how many carbons, sir? 3 carbons. Triple bond, na? So one carbon attaches here, 3 times of only carbon attaches. But here methyl carbon attaches to hydrogen. If first atom is same, then you have to choose next atom. This is the first atom, sir. Both cases first atom, that is carbon carbon. But next atom also carbon in the case of C triple bond C. But next atom here hydrogen. So compared to hydrogen, carbon is the high priority. That's why I chosen C triple bond C is the high priority compared to methyl C triple bond C. Now can you try here? Can you write here RS nomenclature? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
No, we can't write. That's
Sir, we can change the position of CH3 now, sir.
no, you can't write because here
It's not chiral.
Yes, that is the reason. Correct. Both are same hydrogens. We have to write only at chiral centers. So this is not the chiral center, so you can't write it. Very good. Correct. You can try here now. But this is deuterium. D means deuterium, sir. Deuterium, you know, mass number. Whenever atomic number same, then you have to give mass number is the priority. If atomic number same, then you have to give priority for mass number. Then look, mass number. Got it? So the answer here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's one. 1. Bromine is
Yes, sir.
hydrogen. Next carbon, deuterium, 4th one. So this also anti-clockwise. So what will get? S configuration. So can you try this is? Things already given for you previously. Even number of exchanges. Okay. Even number of exchanges. Will give identical molecule. Identical molecule. Odd number exchanges will give enantiomer. So this point you can remember. I will discuss based on this. These are the 2 points we can try to concentrate. So I am giving here. Can you try RS nomenclature for this example? I didn't give a veg dash formula. We can discuss that is. I think so. Odd and even number, you know that one. But you have to keep in mind all these things you have to do within the plane. All this you have to do, all exchanges within the plane, that molecule. And you can consider here one exchange equal to 90 degrees. I can consider, sir, one exchange equal to 90 degrees, and within the plane you have to do. Within the plane. I will explain one example, you don't worry that one. How to apply and everything I will explain. So within the plane 90 degrees. Can you try first one? What is the RS nomenclature? According to wedge dash formula, you are going to write the structures. So here, first is OH sir, priority. Is it chiral or not first? Chiral only have to apply. OH is the first priority, and here hydrogen will be there, sir. And this is ethyl. This is methyl. Only one carbon here. So 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which direction, sir? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. So R. What about here? This is the Cl is the high priority. Atomic number is how much? 17. So 1 this is. Next, ethyl is the second priority.
Yes, one here.
Methyl. So this also clockwise, but what is the point you have to concentrate, sir?
Least.
Correct. If high priority presented dotted line, okay. If high priority presented dotted line, if you are getting 1, 2, 3, anti-clockwise means R, if clockwise means S. So we have to get here, answer is reversal, which you are getting reverse. Suppose you are assuming R, then you have to write S. Because high priority presented dotted line. Only 2 points I given, sir. That's 2 points you have to remember. Otherwise, if you don't like to do that one, suppose already given, you have to do exchanges. You have to do exchanges. So I am writing that is also. Number of exchanges you can do, that is. This is Cl. Here hydrogen also will be there, assume that one. I am exchanging the Cl and methyl, sir. Adjacent I can exchange. Okay. Then you can see one exchange means enantiomer will get. Okay. Before this one, I can write properly. Better. See, we are providing this is the carbon, you can assume that one, and you can take this is dotted line, Cl, ethyl, this is methyl, assume that one here, which is dotted line I wrote means, other one just you can keep, one more should be is there thick line, I am assuming that one, hydrogen is the thick line, otherwise you can keep this is dotted line is fixed, that is, okay. Which is the least priority group should be present always in dotted line, that is the first priority, you have to do that one. So I am doing sir exchange here, methyl and hydrogen I am doing exchange, methyl and hydrogen I am doing exchange. So it will go methyl here, this is methyl, sir, CH3, only one carbon means methyl, that is, and hydrogen will come, and I am exchanging Cl and hydrogen. Now how many exchanges, sir? 1, this is 2 exchanges. Even number of exchanges give identical molecule. Now we make and write RS nomenclature. What will get here? then you can write even number of exchanges. Okay, then same thing you can write RS nomenclature, it will get your answer. Just do this even number exchanges means identical molecule. We can try now two chiral centers, sir, which is they contain. Suppose two chiral centers is there, how to write RS nomenclature? If molecule contain two or more chiral centers. So I am writing two chiral centers, first priority, two or more chiral centers. Mostly they are asking one example, that is tartaric acid. So you can discuss even more, glucose, fructose, we can try any molecules. Actually generally if they want us first priority they will give here, that's why. Erythrose, we'll discuss all the things. This is the COH, we call tartaric acid, sir. This is tartaric acid is optically active or inactive? This is optically active or inactive?
Optically inactive.
Optically inactive due to plane of symmetry. Got it? Due to plane of symmetry. You can take, sir, this is the plane of symmetry. If molecule have plane of symmetry, that is optically inactive. That's already we know that one. Equal halves, sir. Plane of symmetry means when we are cutting, we are getting equal halves. That's we call plane of symmetry. Can you try it RS nomenclature? So this is the chiral carbon, which is cross I given, that is chiral carbon, sir. Here black color, that is chiral carbon. Now we can check it. I am writing only this is OH is the one priority because oxygen is the high priority atomic number, and here carbon is there, and here also carbon down one also, which is chiral center. Array you can keep in mind when you are writing H, OH, and this whatever they given CH, OH, COH, this actually same structure I wrote. This fully is one group, sir. This fully is one group. Total 4 bonds you have to consider, that 4 like this. So this is the first bond I am taking, one atomic number, and second one I have to give priority. This is COH is there, and this is CH. Same thing, sir. Bottom part I am writing. This is carbon, here also carbon. But in the case of COH, it attaches to like this. Got it? Carbon here attaches to oxygen. But how many times attaches oxygen, sir? 3 bonds with oxygen. 3 bonds with oxygen. One is OH and C double bond O. But here 1 bond with oxygen and other bond with carbon and other bond with hydrogen. So high priority going to be should be COH, because here carbon attaches 3 times oxygen with respect to double bond and as well as single bond, but bottom one attaches only 1 time oxygen, so that's why I am giving high priority for above 1. So this is 2, and third priority you can give below 1, which is CHOH, like that. Now we can say 1, 2, this is third priority, sir. Then you can move clockwise or anti-clockwise, whatever, that's 1 priority, 1, 2. Fourth one you can neglect, sir, when you are writing RS nomenclature. Fourth one no need to consider. This is clockwise or anti-clockwise? I think so, anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means generally what we can expect, supposed to be R, but least priority present at horizontal line. Least priority is H, it is present horizontal line. Then you have to reverse that one, sir. If you are getting clockwise, then you have to give yes. If anti-clockwise means R. I am getting here R. And similarly you can give numbering below 1 also. If least priority present horizontal, then you have to reverse. If clockwise you are getting means S, anti-clockwise means R. That's point already mentioned, we may can check it. So here 1, 2, COH is the second priority, already we discussed here, and third going to be down 1, then fourth should be hydrogen. This is moving, sir. 1, 2, 3. Which direction, sir? Clockwise. But least priority group present at horizontal line. So this should be yes. So I am writing here COOH, COOH, HOH, HOH. So this is getting at this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Our longest chain with respect to IUPAC name. Then second carbon is I am getting R. So 2R and 3S. This is the correct one. Anyway, already I given for you. This is optically inactive. Optically inactive means one half molecule rotate clockwise means other can rotate anti-clockwise. That is also explained for you. So below chiral center S means above one is R. Then only that become meso compounds. Both should be opposite. So this is correct. RS nomenclature. You can try one more example, which is I am giving optically active form COOH, tartaric acid only, but we are writing optically active form, sir. HOH, HOH. Only atomic numbers priority order, and only other point is if least priority present horizontal line, then you have to reverse. So if you are getting R, then you can write S. Only that is a point you can note down and try to remember. I given only 2 points for you, only 2 points. If you remember, you can answer. So try this one, everyone. Take it challenge. Even I am giving hint also continuously. And I will give one logic point, sir, after this one. That's why if you are trying, I will give. In examination, they will give which of the following are enantiomers, which of the following are diastereomers, like that they will give. How to identify by RS nomenclature, that should discuss.
Sir, 2 or 3S, sir.
Yeah, I am giving here. So anyway, this first one is 1 atomic, this number high priority, and second, and this is third. This chiral carbons are, which is I am taking third. 1, 2, 3. So this is anti-clockwise. So I am taking here atomic numbers are longest chain you have to choose for when you are writing IUPAC nomenclature. That's why COH is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the longest chain, sir. At least 1, 2, 3 for longest chain. Don't get confusion. So if you have confusion, I can remove that one. This 1, 2, 3s. So if above one, what will get, sir? RRS. So anti-clockwise, so R. And below one, this is the 1.
Anti-clockwise.
2. And this is 3. Above full molecule, above you have to see above full half. So 3 that is. So this is also anti-clockwise. So R will get. So what you can write, sir? 2R, 3R. Can you try this molecule? 1, 2, and 3. So this is clockwise.
Yeah.
Clockwise.
Yes.
So S. And here also 1, 2. COH is 2 always. And below 1 is 3. So this is clockwise. So yes. These two are enantiomers or not? Can you check it? Mirror image is there for this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mirror image means enantiomers, sir. So what you understood finally? These two are enantiomers. So I'm going to give one hint, sir. R mirror image should be S when we are writing RS nomenclature. If R is there, RS nomenclature when we are taking, that mirror should be get S only. Suppose here I wrote R, R. What is the mirror images you are getting, sir? Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now only wrote not 2R, 3R. That mirror image should be 2S, 3S. Got it? So enantiomer that become opposite when you are taking mirror images. R become S, S become R. If you have still doubt, one more example I am giving, you can check it. By looking molecule, you can find out this is enantiomer. But in examination, they will provide, sir, different thing. OH, CH2, OH. This is the molecule they given. Identify the enantiomer of the following. Identify the enantiomer of this molecule. That's the question. Identify enantiomer. Enantiomer of given molecule. This is a simple question, sir. This is we need to solve it. So here they given suppose CHO, then H, OH, CH2OH. This is the structure one. Option A, assume that one. Option B, CHO, H, OH, CH2OH. Then option 3, CHO, CH2OH, HOH. Next one, fourth one. It may be multi-correct. I am giving just model of the question. It may be multi-correct. It may be multi-correct. Out of these four, can you identify an enantiomer? If you want, you can see starting structure. I think it's already noted down. I'm expecting question. First, you can write how to do that one. One basic point, I am expecting, that is, if R is there, that mirror image should be S. If S is there, its mirror image should be R. That is only enantiomer, no? Enantiomer. Please note down, sir, this point.
Sir, second one.
You can see maybe multi-correct also. See, this is the I am writing RS nomenclature. The first given question I am trying to write. I am getting this is 1, OH is high priority. Then CHO is high priority, and CH2OH is the fourth one. This is 4. So 1, 2, 3 anti-clockwise. So should be R, because least priority present at horizontal. Then which is we are getting among these 4 options. Yes. Which we are getting S, that is the answer, your answer.
Third one is
Okay. So you may can see, don't see that one. We have to write RS nomenclature first priority. 1,
second one also.
2, 3,
3.
4. So which directions are anti-clockwise? And least priority present is vertical line. So no chain. This is S only. Anti-clockwise, no? Then 1, 2, 3. So this is fourth.
Clockwise.
Priority is clockwise. So this is R. So first one also S only. So that is also an enantiomer. We have to get R opposite is S only, no? That's only you have to see. So next 1, 2, 3. Just atomic number basis one, and this is fourth one. So this is which direction, sir?
Clockwise.
So yes, because least priority fourth position. No? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Right, anti-clockwise. Clockwise only.
Anti-clockwise. Least priority.
S only, no? So R. And but fourth priority is least priority horizontal means S finally. Right, least priority 8 horizontal. No? That's we have to reverse.
Yes.
Then fourth
అవును
one,
సార్
1, 2, 3. I think so. Clockwise direction. And least priority at horizontal only. Sorry, vertical line, no change. This is R. So how many we are getting, sir, here? Answer. One is S,
One
and
and
third also S. So
2.
these two are enantiomer of given structure. Understood? Sahimita, did you get? Understood, na? How to find out?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
1 and 3.
Yeah, just based on RS nomenclature we are doing. But molecules looking in examination different they will give. Don't worry about those things. Just write RS nomenclature, then you'll get it answer. That's enough.
Okay, sir.